Top 14 Christmas gift ideas for him under $50 Australian. It doesn't have to be expensive to find him the ideal Christmas present. These are the top 14 insightful, stylish and affordable Christmas gift ideas for him under $50 Australian. Consider SONY earbuds for the tech-savvy man. Gifts for grooming such as AESOP'S Shine Hair and Beard Oil and the Remington 5-in-1 Titanium Grooming Kit. Brunch the Sunday Way is a hardback book for the foodie. Fashionable necessities like the navy RODD Gunn Signature Cap in navy color, leather key organisers such as the ORBITKEY key organizer, MARVIS Whitening Mint Toothpaste, and Oral-B electronic toothbrush are examples of wellness gift sets. These presents are useful, heartfelt, and sure to make him smile this Christmas season without breaking the bank. Here are 14 Christmas gift ideas for him. Your boyfriend, hubby, son, brother, uncle, grandfather, partner, father, or friend. You will find a little something for under $50 Australian. Number 1. SONY On-ear headphones, AUD27. The SONY MD-RZ-X110B headphones are wired to the ear. With its 12 Hz to 22 kHz frequency response, you may hear ultra-low bass notes and crisp treble tones. With their lightweight design, portability, and padded ear pads, these headphones are an excellent travel companion, in addition to having 30mm drivers. Number 2. Frank Green Ceramic Reusable Bottle with Straw, AUD50. Frank Green employs a reusable bottle with an innovative ceramic inner layer and a stainless steel outer layer to create a pure flavor and scent experience in the cause of good taste. For the best temperature control, it has triple walls and vacuum insulation, which keeps drinks hot or cold for hours. All of the qualities you adore about Frank Green are present in their ceramic collection. Unbreakable foundation because of the high-quality stainless steel outer layer. Revolutionary straw lid with spill-proof stainless steel straw. FDA and EU-approved safe materials. BPA free-owned and designed with pride in Australia. Number 3. Oral-B Professional Care. 700 black, AUD49. Your gums and teeth will get an exceptional clean with the Oral-B Professional Care 700 electric toothbrush. This rechargeable brush has a sleek black appearance with a pressure sensor that, if you brush too vigorously, automatically stops pulsing. In order to remind you to switch up your mouth during the 2 minutes that the dentist recommends for brushing, its smart timer pulses every 30 seconds. For healthier teeth and gums, the daily clean mode eliminates up to 100% more plaque than a standard manual toothbrush. This electric toothbrush's long-lasting rechargeable battery allows it to go up to 7 days between charges. One toothbrush handle with charger and one brush head are included in the package. For extra peace of mind, take advantage of the manufacturer's 2-year warranty. Number 4. GALISON Andy Warhol Soup Double-Side Puzzle 500-piece, AUD35. One puzzle, 2 puzzles. 2 variations of Warhol's well-known pop art piece may be found in the Andy Warhol Soup, made 2-sided puzzle from GALISON. For ease of sorting, puzzle pieces are glossy on one side and matte on the other. For fans of Andy Warhol's recognizable pop art style, this puzzle offers a delightful challenge that combines appreciation of modern art with traditional puzzle fun. Number 5. Remington 5-in-1 Titanium Grooming Kit, AUD29. With the Remington 5-in-1 Titanium Multi-Grooming Kit, you can up your personal grooming game. The self-sharpening titanium-coated blades of this multi-purpose hair clipper are 300% stronger than stainless steel, ensuring consistent, precise trimming. With the replaceable parts, which include a trimmer, foil shaver, detail trimmer, nose, ear trimmer, and adjustable beard comb, you can take care of all your grooming requirements. The LED indication alerts you when it's time to recharge, and the cordless and rechargeable design provides 60 minutes of runtime each charge. This grooming kit has everything you need for a close trim in complete comfort, including a sleek black finish and a washable head for effortless cleaning. This product's manufacturer component number is PG6024AU. With the Remington, you can bring salon-quality grooming home. Number 6. MARVIS Whitening Mint Toothpaste, 85 milliliters, AUD 17. For a gradually whiter, brighter smile, MARVIS's thick, creamy toothpaste helps to gently remove surface stains and plaque. The polar thrill and ice chill that the cool mint produces provide you with a memorable freshness and a lingering taste. The classic processing method used in MARVIS toothpaste formulae ensures a dense, compact texture, optimal protection, and an incredibly dazzling smile. The flavors are produced by counterbalancing the mint scent, fusing distinctive freshness with creative undertones to provide you with a satisfying, long-lasting taste experience. Number 7. CLINIQUE For Men Starter Kit, Daily Age Repair, AUD 33. Anywhere, at any time, CLINIQUE's For Men Starter Kit collection of specially formulated formulations maintain skin clear and shine-free, control of oil. The opulent cream shave offers a thick buffer against razor drag and nicks, while the face wash completely cleanses and gets rid of extra oil. In addition to providing skin-strengthening elements and mild, oil-free hydration, mattifying moisturizer keeps skin matte throughout the day. Easy skincare products that are ideal for traveling and trying. Number 8. AESOP Shine Hair and Beard Oil, 25 milliliters, AUD 45. Lightweight and enriched with botanicals, AESOP Shine Hair and Beard Oil is intended to smooth, nourish, and enhance the natural sheen of both hair and beard. This oil, which is made with a combination of carefully chosen plant-based components like petit grain, borage seed, and jojoba seed, provides intense hydration without leaving a greasy aftertaste. It adds a delicate, earthy perfume that is typical of AESOP'S distinctive fragrances, improves manageability, and helps control frizz. All hair types can benefit from its rapid absorption, which leaves hair and beard feeling hydrated, smooth, and renewed. It encourages a polished, well-groomed appearance with a healthy, natural-looking sheen, making it perfect for everyday use. Number 9. ORBITKEY Key Organiser Hybrid Leather, AUD 40. A fashionable and useful item, the ORBITKEY Key Organiser Hybrid Leather is made to simplify the way you carry your keys. With its sturdy polymer construction and the sophistication of real leather, this key organizer strikes the ideal mix between style and functionality. Up to 7 keys can be neatly secured with it, keeping them from jingling or scratching other objects in your pocket or purse. Larger objects, such as car fobs, can be accommodated by an optional D-ring attachment, and the small design features a stainless steel locking mechanism to guarantee keys stay securely in place. The ORBITKEY Hybrid Leather is a great option for people looking for a classy and well-organized way to store their daily necessities because of its high-quality materials and careful construction. Number 10. AERRE Forest Spice Perfume, AUD 49. Experience the charm of forest spice, a scent that captures the classic elegance of the rarest treasure found in nature. Oud, and was inspired by Tom Ford's Oud wood. This fragrance combines the timeless allure of a fougere composition with the enigmatic intensity of oud. The Orient-inspired richness of oud blends with earthy patchouli, bright citrus, and floral geranium to create a fragrance that is both daring and elegant. Forest spice is your entryway to a realm of mystery and sophistication, inspired by Tom Ford's Oud wood. Allow this alluring aroma to take you to a magical woodland where sophistication and adventure coexist. Number 11. RODD GUNN Signature Cap, Navy, AUD 49. The front and square of the cap are a clear representation of our proud two-tone pointer dog. A one-size-fits-all design, the cap has an adjustable strap at the back and is made of sturdy cotton twill. The RODD GUNN is embroidered in contrast above this strap, mirroring the contrast of the sweatband and under the brim. Offered in a range of hues, from delicate earthy tones to vivid blues. Number 12. Brunch the Sunday Way, hardback book. Over 70 delicious recipes from London's legendary Sunday Cafe, AUD 30. The renowned brunch champions of London unveil for the first time the recipes that have made Islington's Sunday Cafe so successful. This book will guide you through the entire process, from cracking an egg to flipping pancakes and roasting pork, all with incredibly Instagrammable outcomes. It covers everything from simple and quick essentials to amazing feasts, drawing inspiration from a global list of ingredients. Number 13. Lego, Architecture London, AUD 48. With this stunning collection that combines the famous National Gallery, Nelson Column, the London Eye, Big Ben, the Elizabeth Tower, and the Tower Bridge in an inspiring skyline scene, you can capture the architectural spirit of London. With realistic colour and relative scale representation, every Lego construction offers a different and satisfying building experience. The tiled base plate depicts the Thames River in London, giving this fantastic model, which highlights the incredible architectural diversity of one of the most vibrant cities in the world, an additional level and sense of authenticity. And number 14. Heritage, Kevin Whisky, 5-piece gift set, AUD 42. The Heritage Kevin Whisky 5-piece gift set is an elegant set designed for connoisseurs and whiskey lovers. A high-end whiskey decanter and 4 matching whiskey glasses, both composed of sturdy, crystal-clear glass, are usually included in this sophisticated set. The decanter's tight stopper and traditional timeless style make it ideal for keeping the flavor and aroma of good whiskey. In order to improve the tasting experience, the matching glasses are ergonomically constructed to provide appropriate swirling and scent release. This set gives a sophisticated touch to any home bar or lounge and is perfect for giving as a present on special occasions, like birthdays, anniversaries, or business gatherings. Every sip is a celebration thanks to the Heritage Kevin Whisky 5-piece gift set, which combines elegance, style, and functionality. It is all. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you learned a thing or two. Please hit the thumbs up button to like our video. Do comment below for anything you may want to say, react or provide feedback to improve our videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Until next time, keep relaxed.